While you're reading, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, write a comment, and share this video. Your support helps us create more relaxing yoga sessions for you. Jumping jacks. Stand straight. Jump feet apart and raise arms overhead. Then return. Keep steady breathing and rhythm. Squat to reach. Stand with feet hip-width apart. Lower into a gentle squat. Then rise and reach arms upward. Keep the back long and breathing steady. High knee march. Stand tall and slowly lift one knee toward your chest. Then switch legs in a steady marching rhythm. Keep the back straight and core gently engaged. Breathe evenly. Forward lunge twist. Step one foot forward into a lunge and gently twist your upper body toward the front leg. Keep the back leg strong and spine long. Breathe deeply, feeling stability and gentle rotation. Side lunge stretch. Step one foot out to the side and bend that knee, keeping the other leg straight. Shift your hips back and feel a gentle stretch through the inner thigh. Keep the chest open and breathe steadily. Mountain climber step. Start in a plank position with hands under shoulders. Slowly step one knee toward the chest. Then switch legs in a steady rhythm. Keep the core engaged and the body stable, breathing evenly. Standing side crunch. Stand tall with feet hip-width apart. Place one hand behind the head and lift the same side knee toward the elbow, gently crunching to the side. Return slowly and repeat on the other side. Keep the core engaged and breathe steadily. Plank shoulder tap. Start in a high plank with hands under shoulders and body in one straight line. Gently tap one shoulder with the opposite hand while keeping the hips steady. Alternate sides with control, engaging the core and breathing evenly. Seated Russian twist. Sit with knees bent, lean back slightly, and twist torso side to side. Keep core engaged and breathe steadily. Bicycle crunch. Lie on your back, lift legs, and alternate bringing opposite elbow to knee in a cycling motion. Keep core engaged and breathe steadily. Standing knee lift. Stand tall and lift one knee toward the chest, then lower it slowly. Alternate legs with steady breathing and engaged core. While sit hold, lean against a wall and slide down until knees are bent at about 90 degrees. Keep back flat and core engaged. Hold steadily and breathe evenly. Reverse lunge with arm reach. Step back into a lunge and reach arms overhead. Keep chest lifted and core engaged. Side plank hip dip. Start in side plank and gently lower hips toward the floor, then lift back up. Keep the core engaged and body steady. Forward fold to half lift. Fold forward from the hips, then lift halfway with a flat back. Keep spine long and shoulders relaxed.